Dear students, welcome to the class. In the last video, we had discussed about what is the area of a plane figure and also discussed the two theorems. So one is in a parallelogram, the diagonals will divide it into two equal areas. And coming to one more theorem, the median of a triangle will divide it into two equal areas. So coming to the next theorem. See, if two parallelograms have same base and between same parallels, then their areas are equal. Okay, if two parallelograms have same base and between the same parallels, then their areas are equal. So let us assume that these are the two parallel lines, say some L and M. L and M are the any two parallel lines. Okay, so now let us consider two parallelograms between these two parallel lines. Say suppose this is A, B, E and F. A, B, E, F is one of the parallelogram. Okay, so let us consider one more parallelogram. Let it be the other parallelogram. I mean AB, say some CD. So these two are parallel and these two are also parallel. I mean AF is parallel to BE and AD is parallel to BC. So now there are two parallelograms. One is parallelogram ABCD and the other one is parallelogram ABEF. Now these two are on the same base AB and these two parallelograms are lies between the same parallel lines L and M. Hence we have to prove that they both are equal in areas. Okay, let's construct a perpendicular line. Draw the perpendicular line, say some DG, which is the height of both the parallelograms. Height of the both parallelograms. Okay, so first of all write that what is given information ABCD and ABEF. These are two parallelograms with same base AB, okay, and lies between two parallel lines L and M. Two parallel lines L and M. And what we have to prove now? Required to prove. That is area of parallelogram ABCD is equals to area of parallelogram ABEF. Okay. And coming to construction part. So what we constructed here, draw DG which is perpendicular to AB. Draw DG which is perpendicular to AB. Fine. Let us consider these two triangles now. One is triangle AFD, another one is a triangle BEC. So proof. Consider triangle AFD and triangle BEC. Okay, let us check that whether these two triangles are congruent or not. See, since L and M are the parallel lines, then AF as well as BE are treated as here transversal lines. And this angle is equals to this angle as well as this angle equals to this, isn't it? Because of transversal. And even AD is parallel to BC, no? And this angle is also equals to angle C. Right, ma? So what I can say, therefore angle AFD is equals to angle BEC, isn't it? Corresponding angles. Even angle ADF is equals to angle BCE. And moreover AF is equals to BE, because AF and BE are the opposite sides of a parallelogram ABEF. Okay, hence I can write that AF is equals to BE. So angle and side. So by AAS congruency, I can say that triangle AFD is congruent to triangle BEC. Triangle AFD is congruent to triangle BEC. Okay. So now let us see here. Actually, area of parallelogram ABEF. Okay, ABEF. I can write it as area of this triangle plus area of this quadrilateral. I mean, which is equals to area of triangle AFD plus area of quadrilateral ABED. ABED. Is it clear now? Area of parallelogram ABEF. ABEF. I want to divide it into two parts. One is the triangular part and remaining part. This is some quadrilateral. Okay. Fine. But just now we got that triangle AFD is congruent to triangle BAC. Right? So in the place of area of, I mean, when they are congruent, they are equal in their areas. So if you want, you can mention here. That implies we can also write that area of triangle AFD is equals to area of triangle BEC. Because of congruent triangles, no, they are equal in their areas. So now instead of area of triangle AFD, I can write that which is equals to area of triangle BEC plus, let it be as it is, area of some quadrilateral ABED. Now look at the diagram properly. See, ABED, this part, plus area of triangle BEC, this part. So together I can write that entirely area of this parallelogram ABCD. So sum of these two gives us that area of some parallelogram ABCD, which is equals to area of parallelogram ABEF. So that is what we need to prove. Okay. So very important result, children, which is statement is very, very important. So two parallelograms have same base and lies between the same parallel lines, then their areas are equal. So this is method 1 with a proper proof by using congruency rules. Or else method 2, this is very simple actually. Method 2, see, in general, area of parallelogram ABEF, you know, area of a parallelogram formula, base into height. Base AB into height is what here? DG. So coming to another parallelogram ABCD, even in this parallelogram ABCD is also, I can take base as AB and once again height is DG only. So if you consider these are some condition 1 and 2. So look at that, 1 and 2 RHS is same, AB into DG, AB into DG. That means these two parallelograms are equal in areas. I mean area of parallelogram ABEF is equals to area of parallelogram ABCD. So in this way, shortly also we can prove the same theorem. Next, its converse also true, ma? It's converse of the above theorem. What is that? If two parallelograms having same base, equal bases, and lies between the same parallels, then their equal areas are equal. Okay, converse of the above theorem is also true. And look at next theorem. If a triangle and a parallelogram have same base and lies between same parallels, then the area of triangle is half of the area of parallelogram. So look at the statement, ma. See, earlier both are the parallelograms having on same base and lies between same parallels. But this time one is triangle and the other is a parallelogram, have same base and lies between the same parallels, then area of a triangle is equal to half of the area of a parallelogram. Half of the area of a parallelogram. So for example, let us assume that these are the two parallel lines L and M. L and M are the two parallel lines. Assume that this is the parallelogram. Parallelogram, suppose A, B, C, D. Okay. So now let it be the triangle. So base of triangle is AB. Even base of parallelogram is also AB. So that's what we mentioned here. Parallelogram and triangle having the same base and lies between the same parallel lines. Okay, ma. Say ABE is the triangle. So because of this is a parallelogram, no doubt AD parallel to BC. Okay. So let us write what is given. Given that parallelogram ABCD and triangle ABE. Both have same base and lies between same parallels, and we need to prove that area of triangle ABE is equals to half of the area of parallelogram ABCD. Okay. Construction. So what shall we do here? Construction. Draw the perpendicular from E to the base AB. Say suppose this is F. So EF is the perpendicular drawn from E to base AB. So construction, draw EF bar which is perpendicular to AB bar. Okay. So coming to proof, what is the area of parallelogram ABCD? Just now we discussed area of a parallelogram is base into height. So here this perpendicular line is nothing but height. I mean, which is the height of the triangle as well as height of the parallelogram also, since both lies on the same parallels. Okay, fine. So I can write that base into height EF. And what about area of triangle ABE? So half into base AB into height EF. But AB into EF, just keep a bracket for this too. So half into AB into EF is nothing but area of parallelogram ABCD, no? So area of parallelogram ABCD, which is equals to area of triangle ABE. So area of the triangle is equals to half of the area of the parallelogram ABCD. So similarly, you can try the proof of this theorem. Next theorem. If two triangles have same base and lies between same parallels, then they are equal in area. Then they are equal in area, or else their areas are equal. So what is this? Two triangles are on the same base. See, for example, once again consider that these are the two parallel lines L and M. L and M. So assume that this is one of the triangle. Say ABD. Okay. And also assume that this is one more triangle ABC. ABC. So both triangles base is same AB, and these two triangles are lies between the same parallel lines L and M. Okay. So very simple proof this is. And let's draw the construction. This is the construction part. Draw the perpendicular from C to the base AB, say CE, which is the height of both the triangles. Height of the both triangles. So first you can write what is given. Yes, given that two triangles having the same base and lies between the same parallel lines. And what we need to prove here? Area of triangle ABD is equals to area of triangle ABC. And coming to construction, draw CE, which is perpendicular to AB. Okay. So proof is very simple. Proof. Area of triangle ABD. ABD triangle area. Half into base AB into height, which is CE. Even if you find the area of another triangle ABC, which is also half into same base and same height. So let them consider equation 1 and 2. Okay. So what we can say? From 1, 2. See, both areas are same. Hence, area of triangle ABD is equals to area of triangle ABC. That is, if two triangles have same base and lies between same parallels, then they are equal in area. So similarly, if two parallelograms also lies between the same base, lies between the same parallel lines and having the same base, then also their areas are equal. Whereas if one is a parallelogram and the other one is a triangle, then area of triangle is half of the area of the parallelogram. Okay. So these are the standard theorems related to the concept of areas. And based on these results, you can solve the problems from our material. Okay. Thank you everybody.